name is Kelly, and I'm from the Management Study Guide's content team. In this course, we will talk about the SWOT analysis in detail. Let's get started. Let's now review the case of Globus Inc. Globus Inc. is a leading manufacturer of baby products. It has decided to venture into the market of cosmetics with the launch of a new brand of cosmetics, Glaze, in the market. However, before Globus can actually make the final decision of venturing into a new market, it needs to find out the things that are working in its favor and the aspects that can lead to the failure of its new venture. What do you think Globus should do to analyze this situation? Globus can do a SWOT analysis of its position in the market. Carrying out a SWOT analysis will help Globus understand the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT analysis would help Globus understand its strengths that would be helpful in the new venture, its weaknesses that need to be overcome to be successful in launching the new products, the opportunities that it has at hand to succeed in the new venture, and the threats that it perceives to the success in the new venture. Hence, you can see that an organizational SWOT analysis can be a very useful tool for any company's development to succeed in any venture. Let's go over the history of the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis technique was founded by Albert Humphrey, who led a research project at Stanford University in the 60s and 70s. He used the data from Fortune 500 companies to identify why corporate planning failed. His research identified a number of key areas that were critical to corporate planning, and the tool used to explore each of the critical areas was called SWOT analysis. Albert Humphrey and the original research team used the following categories. What is good in the present is satisfactory. Good in the future is an opportunity. Bad in the present is a fault. And bad in the future is a threat. In 1964, at a conference, the F in SOFT was changed to a W, and thus the emergence of SWOT analysis as we know it today came into existence. Let's start by going over the course objectives. By the end of the course, you will be able to explain what is SWOT analysis, list down the objectives of SWOT analysis, describe who needs SWOT analysis and explain the internal and external factors. Describe the SWOT quadrants and various quadrant combinations. Explain what is TOWS analysis. Explain the steps of SWOT analysis and the role of brainstorming in SWOT analysis. Explain the SWOT-driven strategic planning. List the benefits, pitfalls, and common mistakes while conducting SWOT analysis. And lastly, list down the tips for effective SWOT analysis.